one of New Zealand's most iconic walks. They tell me. I will absolutely love it. They tell me. So shall we? Hooker Valley Track, located in Mount Cook National Park, is considered as one of New Zealand's most popular short hikes. The walk itself is 10 kilometers long, and to me, as a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, it came as a surprise that iconic to New Zealand means literally taken out of Peter Jackson's masterpiece, with its golden rocky hillsides and turquoise blue rivers.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
So there it is, the end of the Hooker Valley Track. Was it worth it? Absolutely. But yeah, the only problem with the track is that it's crowded. But to be honest, as soon as the sun went down, magic happened. I'm here alone.
River's gonna cry when you're gone.